Got a POV file describing a 3D scene for rendering? This is a scene description file used by POV-Ray, the legendary free ray tracing software. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll show you how to render and edit these classic ray tracing scene files. We're tackling this POV file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. POV files are scene description files used by POV, Ray Persistence of Vision Raytracer, a free open-source ray tracing software. They contain text-based descriptions of 3D scenes including geometry materials, lighting cameras, and rendering parameters used to produce photorealistic ray-traced images through computational rendering algorithms. POV files use a human-readable scene description language with declarative syntax, defining objects through primitives like spheres, boxes, cylinders, and constructive solid geometry operations. The language supports texture and material definitions, multiple light sources, cameras with various projection modes, plus include files and macros for complex scene construction. Optimal handling of the POV format is achieved using POV-Ray by the POV team. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows isn't designed to render complex 3D structures, so proper viewing needs specialized CAD tools. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the POV file and choose Open With. Use POV-Ray first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If the POV file is still giving you trouble, relax. The POV file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, rendering in POV-Ray. Download POV-Ray from povray.org and open the POV file directly. Click Run to render the scene using the integrated editor and rendering engine. POV-Ray parses the scene description and produces a ray-traced image with full reflection, refraction, and shadow calculations. Adjust render quality settings for output resolution and anti-aliasing. Next, editing the scene. POV files are plain text editable in any text editor or POV-Ray's built-in editor. Modify object positions, material properties, light placements, and camera angles by changing the scene description code. The text-based format enables version control with Git and powerful procedural scene generation through scripting and macros. Finally, converting to other formats. Use tools like POV2Mesh to convert POV scenes to mesh-based formats like OBJ or PLI for use in other 3D applications. While conversion may not preserve all POV-specific features like procedural textures, it enables migration to modern 3D software like Blender for continued work in current rendering environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.